Hey, good morning, Stevie. It's James White. I just got an order in yesterday from Orlando South for the jewelry group, and so I kind of wanted to walk through this with you. Let me see if it'll let me do this in hindsight. Troubleshoot it. What color? Okay, good. Okay, so now I've got my highlighter on. So when you open up NuORDER, you're going to come to a login page. My credentials are in here. So at the beginning, things are going to be a little bit different when you log in, but it'll still be the same once we start putting the order in. So I'm going to go ahead and hit login. First page I'm going to come to is going to have catalogs, products, order forms, orders. First thing I want to do is set up my cart, and I'm going to set it up for Orlando South. So I'm going to click here on the cart. I get a drop-down menu of every dealer that's in my territory. You should just get a drop-down of just the stores that you're servicing for Orlando. So I'm going to type in here Orlando. Oh, no wonder if you spelled it right. Orlando. All right, and this is going to be for South, so that's 439. So then it should fill in all the header information for you. So here's everything we have. We have a PO number, which I'm going to put in here, which is 5213, and it's a replenishment order. So for my tracking inside of my system, I'm going to add 7, which is July replenishment. So when I go to look for this in the file, I can tell whether it's a seasonal catalog or replenishment catalog, invoice, or order. All right, so we got that. So the next step we're going to do, this is all the information you need on this page. You're going to go to products. And here's where I can really save you some time, because if you go over here and click on products here, and then go down here to category, and then click on just bells. Get rid of this. So now all I'm seeing is bells up here. I can see that all he has is M's up here, so I know all he has is bells. So the first one is going to be 01. Put that in the cart. Next one's going to be 9. Put that one in the cart. Next one is going to be 22. Put that one in the cart. 23. That one goes in the cart. 26 and 28. 26 and 28. So now we've got everything into the cart, but there's no dollar amount. So I'm going to now click on the cart. And they're all 4s. So I'm going to come in here and put 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and 4. And we're going to ship these, or the order's going in on July 10th. July 10th, everything's good there. Date range. So then go to order review. Go to order review, and I can look at all the products that are in there. I see that I've got my PO number, and it meets the $200 minimum for a reorder. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, and shipping to be determined when they pack the box. Boom. Go down here, and submit order. And that's pretty much the extent of what you have to do to get an order in there. When you go back to the products again, I will tell you in the categories, it's much easier. Like if you're going to order bracelets, just click on bracelets. That's all you'll see. If you're going to click on earrings, that's all you'll see is earrings. But it's the easiest way to put products into the cart is by clicking on the specific category. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out as your first lesson, and hope this helps you get to where you need to be. Let me see. How do I get out of here? Ah, there we go. James White. That's not what I wanted to do. Now I'm showing you a lot of nonsense. James White, and log out. Okay, now I'm done. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close this out, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, dear.